What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Everyone, thanks for tuning in. Welcome back. Ryan Lopez here. And today we will be doing a very special unboxing of Allure Homme Sport for Men Extreme by Chanel. So, let me get a little bit right there. The box. Check it out. So pretty much I've been doing some research on what cologne to buy, was doing a lot of research on YouTube, watching all kinds of top 10 videos, everyone's picks and this and that, and it's really hard. It's really hard trying to do research and pick which one you want to get, especially for I haven't bought a cologne in a while, so I kind of want to go for something that's a little bit not too strong, kind of casual. Maybe something you can wear in the office, something kind of just day-to-day activities. Overall, I'm extremely happy with it. So this is what the box is, or this is the size of it. This is 100 milliliter. Yeah, and this thing goes for about 120, and for like the 50 milliliter, it's 100. So for 20 bucks more, you get like double the size. And I've noticed that's kind of the trend with like the colognes. You just pay like a little bit more and you get like almost double the size. So overall projection of it, I'd say it lasts pretty long. This is the EDP version, Eau de Parfum. I was looking at kind of where they recommend to spray it at, and I guess they recommend spraying cologne. I mean, I guess it depends where what the occasion is, but I saw like they want to say where the blood kind of flows. I think like they say behind the ear, behind each ear is a good spot. On the collar of each shirt, and then one on the back of the neck. And I guess that is so that you can have like your nice little trail, your scent trail, kind of when you're walking. And you don't want to project too much. You don't want too much sillage, and sillage is another term I just recently came across. It's kind of like it's like a circle kind of around you of like, if you walk in a room, there's a lot of sillage, then, it's just like everyone smells it. So, I mean, it's not really something that you kind of want to, I mean, it all depends what you're going for. But overall, with the Allure Homme Sport Extreme for Men, definitely very happy, and it's a very versatile cologne. You can it's not too overpowering. You can mix it with other ones. 8 hours go by or something, 6 hours, you want to wear something else, go ahead. And I think this is a must-have for any fragrance collection. Definitely a must-have. Oh man, it just smells so good. Just like there's a little bit of a lot of people, I've heard it described as mint. There's some mint in there, which I believe that there is. Let me see, 1 second, I'm gonna pull up. Alright, so I got my phone up here. Now, pretty much with fragrances, they come in notes. And you have the high note, the mid note, and the base note. And each one has its own. The high note is what you smell first, when you just first spray it. Then the mid note is kind of as time goes on, a little bit after a couple hours. And the base note is what you get into maybe, I don't know, after 5-6 hours of it. So, they're composed of these different, scents. Now, this particular one has notes of, the top note is sage. The sage, that's what it is. Yeah, and it's just really refreshing. Cypress and mandarin orange. That's what it is when you first smell it. It's just that those initial notes are just really fresh. The base notes, sandalwood, which I've smelled before, musk, cedar, and tonka bean, whatever tonka bean is. So, man, overall, on a scale of 0 to 10, I would recommend this as I'd say a solid 8.5 or a solid 8.5. Definitely a must-have. Extremely versatile. But it all depends on the occasion, what you're looking for, You know, if you're looking for something to go out on a date to add that extra punch, you could use this, but it wouldn't really be one of those kind of nighttime, really intense, seductive scents. It's more something that's just kind of not really gentle, but kind of smooth, silky, mint, freshy, almost a soapy kind of smell, but a fresh soap. And it just really smells good. So, and this one compared to Bleu de Chanel, which is the other, that would be more of like the nighttime musk, really deep kind of scent. And another thing I came across is that usually with the lines, you know, the dark bottle is usually the nighttime scent, and then the light bottle, in this case, is more the daytime scent. So, yeah, let me know. Drop a comment below, anybody, if you have any colognes on your watch list or anything you kind of want to check out. Anything that you really want, you're maybe thinking about getting. Some on my watch list. Carolina Herrera CH Privé for men. Definitely that one. I've heard a lot of reviews on that, but I might have to do a blind buy because people don't really have tests for it. So that one. Saint Del Homme. I forget. You know, the thing with some of these colognes and stuff, they're like French and like these. I don't even know how to pronounce them, but yeah. Today I went to the mall and I got two that I narrowed down to two that I was interested in, and I sprayed one on the left arm and one on the right. So I'm wearing them both, and well, you kind of gotta like wait and see how it goes, because like, you know, over time it mixes differently with the skin. So I think I'm leaning towards this one. I know I have the name. Got the list here. So I made my list, but it's just been expanding now. It's just like, on my left arm, Yves Saint Laurent La Nuit del Homme. Gosh, I think I'm leaning towards that. On the right hand, I have Spice Bomb Extreme. Not sure if I'm a big fan of that. I do want something kind of like a weekend one, if you know, in case I want to go out, maybe go on a date or something like that. You know, something a little bit kind of punchy with some kick to it, a little bit of spice. But the Spice Bomb Extreme might be a little bit too spicy. Although right now it's smelling really good, but at first it might have been a little bit too strong. So, and then I also sprayed a little bit on my neck here of the Creed Green Irish Tweed, I think is what it's called, which is another really popular one. But I walked out of there just smelling like a bomb, kind of like just so much things on me, and it's like, you know, trying to find a clear spot of skin to where I can spray some things. And I sprayed on my right bicep here, Invictus Aqua Blue, which at the time smelled amazing, but right now, not really feeling that one at all. I'm leaning towards Saint Laurent Del Homme. So, yeah, really a lot going on with that. So that's it for the review for today. The unboxing of Allure Homme Sport Extreme by Chanel. So EAU Extreme. And the bottle, it's like a nice metallic gray. I've heard in some other videos that it scratches a lot, so you know, you might want to be careful with that if you're into the preservation of the bottle. And the box looks like this, and this is the first one to my collection I've had in a while. So that's it, guys. Just want to make a quick vid. Like I said, drop a comment below if anything you're looking to maybe getting, maybe one you have, and your thoughts on it. And hope I can make another video soon. Alright. Have a good one. Everybody take care. And make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Have a good one. Later.